Welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could fix the Windows error 0x87019e. To fix this error, if you have Windows 7, 8, 10, 11 and 12, you need to connect to internet, go to your search tab and type turn Windows features on or off. This application will appear, click on it to open. Wait for it to load and scroll to the bottom. Locate Windows Subsystem for Linux, click on it or tick it to be selected, then click OK. The searching for required files will start. It might take several minutes, up to 10 minutes maximum, and after that we'll be prompted to restart our computer. As I said, the Windows completed request changes, so you want to click restart now, and after you restart your computer, this error should no longer be appearing for you. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys and was easy to follow. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just leave a comment and we will do our best to help you. If you'd like, you can join our channel by monthly subscription, or you can just click subscribe and like if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.